Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can analyze categorical variables using chi-square contingency tables. So here I want to run simply what we call cross-tabulation, like to cross-tabulate the data in one table and see whether or not there is any statistically significant association among the variables or the items in a survey or the rows and columns in a data set. So here we simply go to frequencies and then we go to contingency tables, and here I have different variables. Let's say I want to put the gender in the rows and I want to put the different AI tools in the columns like this, and then I want to see whether or not there is any statistically significant association in the variables. Here I could see the chi-square value that has a p-value that is above 0.05. This means that it is not statistically significant association for the first AI tool, which is ChatGPT, between male and females. The second one, we have chi-square test, which is above 0.05 or 0.05. Then we have this one, which is almost statistically significant for this variable. Gender and Grammarly is not statistically significant. It seems that there is no statistically significant variables in difference or association in gender. Let's choose another construct or variable, which is, let's say, laptop ownership. So for the laptop ownership, we can see that there is also no statistically significant association between owning a laptop, except for this variable, which is Grammarly. So for people who have a laptop, let's go back here and choose the odds ratio, or we choose also some descriptive statistics to show, like in the sales, like the expected, we can also show person residuals. We show the percentages. Here we could just make the analysis complex. So here for the this construct, or rather this variable, which is Grammarly, it seems that there is statistically significant association between those who said yes and owning a laptop. So or using Grammarly. So Grammarly is coded 0 not used and 1 used. So you see here that 109 who own a laptop use Grammarly, but those who don't own a laptop don't use Grammarly. So it seems that Grammarly is associated more with our owning a laptop. Let's see another variable. This one also is statistically significant with regard to Quellbot. So here people who own a laptop seem to use Quellbot more than the others. So in general, laptop ownership is correlated with using or not using some AI tools. So this is what here, instead of saying correlated, the technical term that should be used is associated in a positive way based on the coefficient. As you can see here, the coefficient of the chi-square, and you can tell whether this association is positive or negative depending on this value here, and whether it is significant or not, meaning statistically significant or not, based on the p-value here. And the same is true of all of the others. So this is in brief how we can do the chi-square test of categorical data using JASP, which is a free and open source software. If you have questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below. See you soon and bye for now.